Looking for a smartwatch that pushes the limits of health tracking, performance, and design? Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, a next-generation wearable built for precision, power, and style. With advanced fitness insights, improved battery life, a vibrant display, and seamless Galaxy ecosystem connectivity, it's more than a smartwatch. It's your personal health and productivity companion, crafted to keep you ahead every day. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and a watch band. Galaxy Watch charger. And a quick start guide. Want to grab the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features: track your body fat, muscle mass, and water levels for a complete health overview. Advanced running analysis and personalized heart rate zones help you train smarter and stay consistent with your fitness goals. Get smarter insights and seamless connections with Galaxy AI. Track your energy score to optimize sleep, exercise, and recovery, and use AI-powered suggested replies for quick, natural responses that match your chat's tone. Push limits without worrying about recharging. Switch between exercise power saving for workouts or power saving for extended use, keeping you powered for every adventure. Monitor heart rate, blood pressure, and ECG with precision using Samsung Health. Get instant alerts for irregular rhythms and maintain a deeper understanding of your overall heart wellness. Built to endure tough adventures and extreme environments, this watch's rugged build and premium materials provide outstanding protection, ensuring lasting strength and reliability wherever you go. Advanced fall detection automatically alerts your emergency contacts when needed. With built-in SOS support, it keeps you protected and connected in critical situations. Specifications: How to charge. To charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, place it on the included magnetic wireless charging puck until it snaps into place. Connect the USB-C cable to a Samsung-approved power adapter or USB port. Use only Samsung-approved accessories to ensure safe and efficient charging. How to pair. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store and install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Find the side of your Galaxy Watch Ultra with the buttons and press, and hold the one outlined in red until the Samsung logo appears. Once the watch powers on, let it complete its startup process. Open the Galaxy Wearable app, tap the menu icon, and select Add New Device. When Galaxy Watch Ultra appears, tap to connect and confirm the matching code. Agree to the required terms and wait as your watch syncs and finishes setup. After pairing, choose your wrist and button position, then review and customize features like activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. See you in the next one.